Okay, so we start with, by all means, ये तो तुम खुद ही करो. Dot and key, sand. That's too much. That's excessive. पहले apply all of it so that there's nothing left on the back of your palm, and then spread it out so you can use both your hands to do it with. Nose and the corners of the mouth. Nose. And this movement only goes in this direction. It never goes down. It only goes in this direction. Cool. So once this is done, we can do the rest of the face, or we can do the eyes first. Which would you
Eyes
prefer?
first, please.
Okay. So what would you like to do today? Would you like to try the holographic liners as well?
Sure.
So let's do that with against black.
Okay.
Okay. So the first line will be this, and on top of that would be the holographic liner,
Which is not here.
which is not here. Why don't you go get it?
Yes.
Alright. So first things first. I'm not priming your eyes or doing anything. If you want, we can do it. Okay. You don't have a concealer or a color corrector right now.
I do. Here's a concealer. I don't have a color corrector.
Okay. So if we're going to use a concealer, this is Clinique Even Better All Over Concealer and Eraser. इसके बाद तुम मिट जाओगे. मिटा दूंगा नामो निशान. ठीक है. So this is a pump वाला.
Yeah.
And that's the applicator. Okay, understood. Again, I think this is 2 shades too dark for you. The reason I'm dabbing it on your eyelid is so that it evens the skin tone there. Basically, we can use this.
Or I can use my hands.
You don't use it. I'll do it. So ideally, whenever you apply concealer, you're supposed to give it 10 to 15 minutes of sitting time. Otherwise, it creases. And ideally, आप तब तक फाउंडेशन लगा चुके होते हैं. हम लोग फाउंडेशन नहीं लगा रहे.
Which is great.
And I would recommend an orange color corrector for the dark circles यहाँ पे. You have a setting powder as well, right? Fit Me वाला. ठीक है. आँख खोल के ऊपर देखना. Bless you.
पूरा परिवार इस तरह क्लिनिक्स को बहुत बिजनेस दे रहा है.
देखो, does it look more even?
Yes.
Okay. The other thing we'll do on top of this, normally it's one of the last steps, but because we want it to set and we haven't given it enough time to set in.
It's going to be very.
Understood. तो इधर करना. नहीं. देखो, does it look more even?
100%.
Hello.
Hi.
My video production दुकान चल रही है अभी.
जी एक काम करना, हमारे जो छोटा वाला हैंडबैग है जो सूटकेस के ऊपर रखा है वो ले आना. उसमें मेरा वो रखा है क्लिनिक का हनी ब्यूटी ब्लैक हनी whatever the heck it's called. ठीक है. So now your eyelids are primed. Now what we'll do is, अब हम उसको वाटर लाइन तुम टाइट लाइन करोगी. You
So
learn
that
how,
I
right?
Yeah.
तुम पहले वाटर लाइन टाइट लाइन कर लो. If you need to look into that, you do that. आँख खोलो पहले. Get it in. Now close your eyes. Thank you, Gigi. बस it's not a
कुछ हुआ क्या?
yeah significantly. So swift movement, don't stop. Swiftly keep moving back and forth all the way. Does your pencil need sharpening? बस वो बाहर आ गया थोड़ा सा. But that's fine, we can work
good?
with it. ठीक है. Does it need sharpening?
No, I'm good for now.
Okay. Gigi, can you get us 2 tissues, please? Did he hear me? Doubt it. Okay. In the meanwhile, so I'm doing your upper lid. अपने को इसको sharpen
इसको
कर देना
करना है?
चाहिए. Steady hand. Okay, so can you see the gaps?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Gaps कुछ कम हुआ?
Almost. दिखाओ. Oh, very nice. Okay. So. Idiots. Okay, and then do we have the smudge end वाली pencil, वो color bar वाली? Smudge वाली, ये वाली नहीं, ये तो eyebrow pencil है. Okay, so we're smudging it out. Why are we smudging it out? So that it doesn't smudge.
कितना उल्टा है सब?
ठीक है. एंड क्योंकि तुम्हारी आईलिड इतनी बड़ी है, it doesn't really matter. देखो, doesn't really matter. You see, even if it's smudged, doesn't really matter. Same thing on the other eye. You'll do it yourself. In the meanwhile, I'm just. Do we have some micellar water by any chance?
No.
Do we have a makeup wipe?
Yes.
Do you know where that is?
Yes.
Where is it?
It's in the red wala pouch.
In this pouch?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be right back with a Papu.
मिला?
Nice.
है?
So
अब
now
इसको smudge
smudge
करें?
it. हाँ, ये लो.
And I'm just smudging it जरा सा, right?
नहीं, go nuts. जोर से जोर लगाओ. And just go linearly. हाँ. So that अगर कोई gaps भी थे तो वो भी fill हो गए. Nice, good job. Good job.
हो गया?
थोड़ा सा dark कर सकते हो because this one is darker than this one. See me? हाँ, now go back to smudging. And smudge थोड़ा सा forcefully, aggressively.
और खूचे?
हाँ. थोड़ा नीचे की तरफ भी करना so that the gaps are filled. यहाँ पे जोर से कर दो. Just swift movement, just in one direction. Cool. Very good job.
हो गया जी?
Only thing I'm going to clean up a little bit is this corner of your left eye. तो हमने क्या किया? For the lack of micellar water, I used a Q-tip and I used a makeup wipe. Doesn't really matter because इसके ऊपर हम लोग एक लाइन और करने वाले हैं. आँख खोलना.
The shiny one.
The holographic वाला. ठीक है? एक बार देखो. Just look at your eyes. Does it look even to you almost?
Yes.
Okay. So now continuing on.
This guy.
ये तो काम हो गया. हाँ, so now we are going to use Bougie Beauty.
इसको हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
तो दिस इज पहले हम दिखा दें क्या है ये?
हाँ जी,
This
हमने
is-
खोल दिया गिराना मत।
That's fine. Bougie Beauty holographic liner. इसको I'll show you how it's done. The next time you do it yourself, which is later today. इसको पकड़ना. तो wherever the black का upper lining was, हम उसी के ऊपर
This is almost halfway up the lid.
That's fine. But your lid is also halfway across the universe, no? So this is kind of the effect. We're going to intensify it a little bit.
Okay.
ठीक है? और तुम्हारा पे कितना आई मेकअप स्पेंड होता होगा? Big eyes. खोलो नहीं पूरी आँख. It's wet. Same thing with Anubha. Her eyes are never ending.
So वो को एक साथ हम लोग को gift from Hashi.
Now look.
I can't look.
You can open slightly. Do you see?
Yes.
Okay, so it intensifies your eyes without making it look like. पूरा मत खोलो ना आँख मेरी माँ.
ऐसे कैसे?
Good job, very good. Stand by. Tissues here. Same thing on this eye.
Dude, ये तो मेरी जिंदगी में हम ना कर पाए.
बिल्कुल कर पाओगे. Just needs practice. And it doesn't matter if it's a little messy also because it's just glitter. So it doesn't matter. It looks really nice.
बस हो गया?
अच्छा लग रहा है? आओ मम्मा is saying अच्छा लग रहा है. Wow. Ultimate litmus test. Now you can see.
लिटमस टेस्ट तो टापू
Papa would be like, oh, very nice. जबकि कुछ भी नहीं किया होगा. Very nice. बहुत अच्छा लगा. Very nice. पापा क्या किया? I don't know. Okay. Now I need your brow stuff. This is your brow stuff?
Yes. Okay. We got other brow stuff also, but
That's fine. This is all we need. Lightly shaping it और हम लोग इसमें कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे. हम लोग इंटेंसिफाई नहीं करते अपने ब्राउज को बिकॉज हम वो नहीं है. दैट्स नॉट हू वी आर. हम बस शेप करते हैं. सी
beautiful.
ओके
Yes.
वी डू द सेम थिंग हियर.
Brow में जो bald patch है उसका क्या करेंगे? कुछ नहीं.
कुछ देयर इज नो बॉल पैच.
Yes. क्या तुम नहीं कर रही हो?
डोंट मूव. इसका थोड़ा सा जेल यहाँ पे लग गया है. देखो, if you want me to fill anything else,
No, I'm good.
I think it's enough because we don't want it too intensified. We just want our face to come together.
हम नर्तकी वाला नहीं कर रहे.
हाँ, नहीं नर्तकी वाली तो आंखें हो गई.
नहीं मतलब
ठीक है.
brows को नर्तकी वाला
हाँ,
नहीं कर.
अब हम एक चीज़ और करेंगे. लोअर आई को इक्वल डेफिनेशन देंगे. एक चीज़ और करेंगे कि बिकॉज यू हैव अ वेट वाटर लाइन. Here's another tissue if you want it.
I'm good. अच्छा इतना सारा निकला.
क्योंकि आई थिंक कल रात का भी रेजिड्यू रह गया था एंड थोड़ा सा अभी काजल लगाते लगाते लगा. देखो दिस इज ऑल वी हैव डन ऑन दिस आई. ज़्यादा कुछ
Beautiful,
नहीं है,
yeah.
ठीक है.
ये ब्राउन वाला है.
ब्राउन है, तो इससे हम लोग और कुछ नहीं करें, थोड़ा सा आइज का डेफिनेशन दे रहे हैं, नथिंग एल्स. सो टुडे वी आर बीइंग अ लिटिल ड्रामेटिक विद योर आइज. Otherwise, tomorrow we'll do like just brown eyes today, so that we can do our dance practice and
Yes.
record it, and the eyes are visible. So this is done. Eyes are practically all done. We're not going to do anything else. Now for blush, I'm coming back to my trusted black honey because that's the only thing I think that works. And then
This
I'll
is
show
lovely.
you.
ये वाला Mars वाला.
Is it?
Yes, it's lovely. दिखाएं?
So you want to use the Mars instead?
I'll show you.
Okay. एक बार हम
It's heavily pigmented.
Mars pink. No, sorry, it's called Flush of Love. Okay, and it's heavily pigmented. So,
One swipe.
नहीं तो वन स्वाइप करने के बाद भी you can do this.
Yes.
ठीक है, if it feels like it's a lot, and highest point of your cheekbone, and it goes upward.
Beautiful.
So just flush enough.
That's good.
ठीक है, and one dab here. So it's these 3 points are connected.
We're good?
इसको रखेंगे. अब हम करेंगे. So
Do we even need a highlighter?
no, but just for the purpose of the video, I wanted to show
Careful.
you.
वो बहुत
हाँ.
टूटा फूटा है.
This is Mark, and it's called Snow Flushed Extra Dimension. और ये बेचारा, it has seen better days. It has seen better days. So it's a little broken up about life, I suspect. So we're just going to define the nose. वो अभी I think within 2 sneezes वो गायब भी हो जाएगा, but it doesn't matter. ठीक है? Just enough definition on the nose, and ideally I would apply it here,
Underneath the.
just over the blush line. So if the blush was here, this goes just above.
Okay.
लगाना है हल्का सा.
लगा.
Okay. तो we're just, I'm not even using the cake side, I'm using जो यहाँ पे इसके
Rubber
डोर के
bands
रेजिड्यू है. तो इस फिंगर से अप्लाई किया, लेकिन हम इस फिंगर से स्प्रेड करेंगे, so that it's not too much. This is a lovely shade, but this is very like festive. So this is not your day-to-day shade.
Day to day आपको ज़रूरत है highlighter की versus just doing.
Yeah, not
Blush.
really.
हाँ.
But it just makes you look very like fresh. Dewy finish. तो हम तुम्हें देंगे अभी बैंगलोर में.
बताएगा क्या खरीदें.
खरीदना नहीं, because I have so much of it and I can't possibly use it in this lifetime before it expires.
Okay.
So might as well. 2 चीज़ें और हम लोग करते हैं कि हम लोग नहीं करते हैं, but
आँख पे
सजेस्ट
है.
किया जाता है कि इनसाइड कॉर्नर्स ऑफ योर आईज पे आप लगाएं, बट हम लोगों की क्योंकि वाटर लाइन इतनी वेट है,
वहाँ पे ऐसे
doesn't make
बह
sense to
जाएगा.
do it. ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
So now that this is done, we're going to do your mouth. तो पहले लिप बाम लगाओ हल्का सा.
लगा लिया.
लगा लिया. So we are using this. This
Just
is
this.
K Beauty Applause. Okay. इसको हम लोग बाद में शार्पन करेंगे, ठीक है. देखो, this is all I'm doing. इसको हमने रफली अप्लाई किया, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे. It definitely needs to be sharpened. यहाँ पे ऐसे कर, लेफ्ट राइट.
खा लेंगे.
चला, ठीक है. And if we wanted to intensify it, this is all we do. We go in with the same color. You don't need a lipstick. This is it. It becomes transfer proof as well. अगर इसको आपको और transfer proof करना था, तो after applying the lip balm, you go in with your loose finishing powder, dab it on, and then apply it. तब तो it
हो गया?
stays. So we make sure that it is transfer proof. Bite into it. ठीक है. अब दिखाओ अपनी शक्ल. Good. So if the eyes are intense, the mouth has to be subdued. If the eyes are not intense, the mouth can be loud. Okay. Good job. बस अभी done.
I think so. हो गया. ऐसे
think
हम कुछ
so.
नहीं कर सकते.
Ideally, you'd use a setting spray and all of that after.
Setting spray is not.
Do you want to use? You want to use mascara?
No.
यूर ओके राइट?
I'm very okay.
हाँ ठीक है, ओके ओके से बाय बाय.